Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Here we will be installing a virtual machine with Kali Linux. Okay, first we downloading Kali Linux on official website kali.org. Here is a new website UI. You can download ISO or virtual machine directly. Here are mobile and many of other platform to install Kali Linux. We can downloading a 64-bit or 32-bit. Now let's download it. Here you can download Kali Linux. Okay. Also you can download virtual machine directly installable. Okay, let's start. First, find the path where we downloaded ISO file. Here I am finding where is I downloaded Kali Linux. Here I am using a 32-bit for this virtual machine. Okay, open a VirtualBox. Let's name it, create new virtual machine, name it Kali Linux 32-bit. You can name it your choice. Let's choose Ubuntu 32-bit for our Linux. Click next. Choose RAM for virtual machine. You can adjust it your own. Click next. Choose a hard disk for this. Create virtual hard disk. Dynamic allocation for this. Let's choose where we store Kali Linux. Okay, I'm choosing a new path for this. You can use default path also or change it. I'm changing it to another path. Okay, here let's save. Now create. Click on create. Also you can change the disk size. Okay, now virtual machine is created. Now go to setting. You can view your settings or change it what you like. I'm changing share clipboard and drag and drop to bi-direction. Here is system settings. You can also change it your hardware configuration. Here display adjustment. You can adjust it. Okay. Go to storage. Choose empty and find the ISO where we download it. Okay. Choose the path. Here I am using ISO 32-bit Kali Linux. Click on OK. Okay, it's done now. Let's start our virtual machine. Starting now. Okay, it started. Choose Graphical install for our installation. Okay, now it's starting to install. Wait for some minutes. Let's choose English for this. Choose United States. I'm choosing United States. You can choose another also. Here is the keyboard type. I'm choosing a Asian English. Okay, you want to learn technology and programming related information and more, you can subscribe my channel for this. Also watch videos. Okay, now it's processing now. Configuration, you can change host name. Here I am using a default host name for this. Click on continue. Choose domain name if you want. Okay, set your full username. You can set your username of your account. Continue. Set password for your root account, Khalid's account. I am using S10 for this default clock. Let's detect the disk to install it. Now its configuration. I am using you can choose any other, but I am using a default, all default. Here I am its configuration already created, now done disk creation, and yes, for formatting its format and use install. Started install. It's installing base system. Wait for some time to install it. Here choose the desktop configuration. Continue. You can change it also. Okay, now it's installing. One more time, I'm suggesting to visit our website and also subscribe my channel. Website link and other links are in the description. Useful links are description in the description or comments. You can view. Okay, it's installing. Wait for some time. Okay, you can visit our website SoftwareTechIT.com. Here you can learn technology tools, shopping and more, blogging also. Here is installing now. Wait for it to complete process. Installation process is completing. Wait for it. Kali Linux is changed now. Its many features are updated and new features are added in the Kali Linux. You can view all features in official website. We are using Kali Linux for hacking and more steps. Here is now GRUB installation configuration. Okay, it's bootloader installing bootloader. Wait for some time to complete process. It's finishing installation now. Last stage. Also, I am creating a Android related tutorial. Also, new tutorial coming soon, Python and more. Okay, now it's installing. You can subscribe my other channel also. It's given in my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube channel and find it. Subscribe also. Now it's finishing process the installation. Okay. Now it's installed. Continue. Rebooting the machine. Okay, now it's installed. Let's launch Kali Linux. Now it's starting a virtual machine. Here is the starting. It's also changed. Yeah, you can set up virtual machine, adjust your device wise. Few more settings also. Now log into your account. I'm logging Kali and password is Tor. Okay, it's starting. It started now. Wait for some time to load. You can go file manager. Okay, now it's done. Let's check the tools. Here is new look and also updated tools. Added new tools in the Kali Linux. You can check it out. Many tools are new in the new version of Kali 2022. Here is the wallpapers and new wallpapers added in this. Also Many more things are changed in the new version of Kali Linux. Thank you so much. Subscribe channel and visit website.